Hello everyone. Today's topic is health education and their agencies. Introduction. Education is an integral part of prevention and the basis of all education is communication. Education helps to increase knowledge and it is believed that knowledge determines the attitude and attitude determines behavior. It can bring changes in lifestyle. Ultimately, we can say that the number of health problems which can be prevented through appropriate knowledge of nutrition, physical activity and lifestyle changes. Definition. A process aimed at encouraging people to want to be healthy, to know how to stay healthy, to do what they can individually and collectively to maintain health and to seek help when needed. That means the people to take decision about to follow those health related activities at all stages of life. The education provide information to prevent the problem. Objectives of health education. There are three main objectives of health education. Number one is informing people. Informing people means the people have been engulfed in ignorance about how the illness or disease occur. Health education would provide them with information on health and causes of disease, making people aware of health needs. In this way, we can say that the health education provide information to people. Number two is the motivating people. Motivating people means simply telling people about health is not enough. They must be motivated to change their habits and ways of living. Example, pollution of water, outdoor defecation, cigarette smoking, drug addiction, physical activity, family planning, etc. Number three is guiding them into action. Guiding them into action means the health education can and should be conducted by a variety of health education and communication personnel in a variety of settings, starting with the physician. But people need help to adopt and maintain healthy practices and lifestyle which may be totally new to them. Next is principles of health education. The first principle is based on scientific knowledge. Based on scientific knowledge means it should be based on fact, must be consistent and compatible with scientific knowledge and also with local, cultural, educational, system and social goal. Number two is based on felt need. Based on felt need, it means it should be planned and implemented to meet the real need of people. The third is motivation. Motivation means the health education is effective when the people have desire to learn. Motivation awakens the desire of people to learn. Then, four is participation. Participation of people will create opportunity for more effective, practically based education. Then next is repetition. Repetition, the repetition education provided to people should be repeated at regular interval. Next principle is based on understanding, education and literacy. In this, the language used during health education should be the same as used by community and new words which are not understood by them should not be used. The next is based on action process. Based on action process means the principal should do the activities which they are learn as learning is action oriented. According to Chinese proverb, if I hear, I forget. If I see, I remember. If I do, I know. In this way, this principle based on action process. The next is from concrete to abstract. The concrete to abstract means the educator must proceed from unknown to known and simple to complex. The next is act as a role model. Act as a role model in that the educator should set example in these things we are taught to people and he should act as a role model. Then good interpersonal relationship. The good interpersonal relationship is necessary to share information, to know the interest, to understand the feeling and ideas of people. The next is feedback. Feedback is most important to achieve the goal of communication. It will provide an idea about the people understanding of the subject related to health. Next is health agencies. There are many different agencies to support the health and well-being of communities through different initiatives. Community health strive to people clean living environment, prevention of the spread of disease and access to health care for all. Level of agencies. There are different level of agency. First is international level, second national level, third is state level, then district level and local level. International level, the international organization work together to improve public health outcome, provide technical expertise and employ new strategies to enhance the constantly evolving practice of public health. Include International Union for Health Education, the headquarter in Paris, whose main task is to promote the creation of national societies for health education. Also, health education and health promotion. This new division of health education and health promotion has been established by the WHO. This division will support regional offices of WHO, is strengthening national capabilities in health education and promotion and develop and test new ideas and tools. Then the division of public information and public relation. The division of public health and public relation, the former division of public information and education for health is now called division of public information and public relation. The Southeast Asia Regional Bureau of the International Union for Health Education was established in 1983 with headquarters at Bangalore. Second is national level. The national level include Central Health Education Bureau and number 2 under the Ministry and Broadcasting. First is the Central Health Education Bureau. The Central Health Education Bureau is an apex institute created in 1956 under the Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. It is formed on the recommendation of the Bhore Committee and Planning Commission. The Central Health Education Bureau has 6 technical divisions. Number 1 is Training, Research and Evaluation Division. The Training, Research and Evaluation Division prepare and standardize training curriculum for the training of various categories of health education personnel. Number 2 is Media and Editorial Division. The Media and Editorial Division produces journal, health education material, provide media services to various divisions and prepare script on health services for All India Radio and Doordarshan Kendra. Then School Health Education Division. The School Health Education Division responsible for plan design, strengthen and review school and adolescent health education. Then the Health Education and Health Promotion Division. The Health Education and Health Promotion Division maintain license with international agencies and State Health Education Bureau. The next is Health Study and Demonstration Center. The Health Study and Demonstration Center is responsible for the field study and demonstration center of the Bureau is field laboratory to try various method and media of health education, to undertake the field trial, conduct research, test and develop method and media and train various category of personnel in actual field situation. Then number 2 is under the ministry and broadcasting. Under the ministry and broadcasting has different division or units. Number 1 Press Information Bureau. Number 2 Directorate of Field Publicity. Number 3 Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity. Number 4 Prasar Bharati and number 5 Songs and Drama Division. Next is state level. The state level, in that the State Health Education Bureau at present headed by Joint Director of Health Services who is responsible for monitoring training activities. Health education of the various social group of population can be taken by state government. A scheme was formulated in 1958 for establishment of State Health Education Bureau with central assistant. The State Health Education Bureau are called Information Education Communication Bureau. Certified Health Education Specialist promotes professional development and strengthen professional preparation and practice. Strengthening of training and education activities under one umbrella. Beside the state agencies, the division, wings, units of Central Health Education Agencies functioning with the State Health Education Bureau. Next is district level. The district level, the principal unit of administration in India is the district under a collector, also including all district level health officer, family planning officers, reproductive child health wings, district information centers. The some functions of this in district level. Number 1, produce need based information, education, communication material. Then number 2, distributed information, education, communication material. Number 3, publication of health messages in print media. Number 4, community interaction programs for promoting health services. Number 5, the celebration of health days. Number 6, conducted environmental, health, hygiene and sanitation activities. Next is local level. At local level, each municipal council has a responsibility to provide a safe environment for its community. This can be done through a range of projects. The organization and administration at local level in cities, municipalities, municipal corporation, development authorities, in village panchayat, blocks development officer. Beside this, various NGOs and voluntary organization, health and nursing professional association. The local government have a responsibility to provide a healthy and safe environment for their community. The some functions at local level. Number 1, organization of health education campaign. Number 2, conduction of local folk event. Number 3, dissemination messages through local FM radio. Number 4, promotion of newspaper for publishing health messages. Number 5, school health program. Number 6, implementation of street and folk drama. Number 7, showing of advertisement in TV.